Hey everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. We are back with this Lexus IS300. It's an F Sport 2017 in the year, finished in ultra white with the dark rose interior. It's a gorgeous car. It's fully loaded, full service history, comes with a new MOT, and you will not find a better one than this. It's got the adaptive LED lights with the automatic high beam. It rides on the 18-inch F Sport wheels. Got 4 brand new Kumo tyres on there. As you can see, the car is as clean as a whistle. All of the wheels are mint. It's got front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera, heated and cooled seats, lane assist, adaptive cruise. Incredible car. Hybrid system's all working well. It goes without saying the car is without fault. We'll show you inside. Show you in the boot to begin with, as usual. Nice size boot on these. You do get split fold rear seats, which is a bit of a rarity on a hybrid car. And we've got your genuine floor mats. And your toolkit under here. No spare wheel, of course, because the battery's there. But all very clean. Proper. Helps if you unlock the cars. There we go. Inside we've got the dark rose leather. I've got that seat all the way back for easy entry, easy exit. You can switch that off, don't worry. You do get some good leg room in these. But stunning interior with your armrest, Isofix, and just unmarked. Absolutely beautiful. And then in the front, much the same, very clean and tidy interior with the electric seats with lumbar and memory on your door there, auto folding mirrors, electric windows, your auto main beam, your artificial sound control. You can turn the volume up for that so you sound like an engine or a race car, I suppose. Got your cruise control down here, and you can flick between adaptive with that one, and you got your lane assist there with your paddle shift on the top. I think this is a fantastic looking steering wheel. Bit of a weird thing to say, but I really like the steering wheel. In fact, I really like the car throughout. Just have a look at that. It is gorgeous. Let's start it up. So we are on now, we're on EV mode at the minute. It will start itself in a second or two because the fans are on and the battery's a bit low because it's not been driven for a couple of days. But you can see there the mileage is 76,001. There you go, it's just started now. 76,171. No warnings, nothing untoward. Got the LFA inspired motorised instrument cluster, which again, really cool. And if I can remember where the buttons are, got your lane assist and your cruise control, your driving assist, audio, navigation, and your vehicle settings. No messages, no warnings. It's cool, that I like it. I'm a sucker for a gadget. In the centre, we've got big screen nav, 10.3 inches, I think. Don't quote me on that, could be wrong, but it's massive. Got your DAB radio, your navigation. I'll just switch it on. There we go. Fantastic sound system. I'm not sure if these come with Mark Levinson anymore or not. You guys may know better than me, but it's a great sound system nonetheless. Media with Bluetooth, audio, Bluetooth, auxiliary, etc. Reverse cam, very clean and tidy, or not clean and tidy, very clear, sorry. all your car settings. So you can see there that the battery's charging now off the engine. And all your settings. Dual climate control. Analog clock. Heated and cooled seats. USB auxiliary in the armrest. And that is that. You won't find better than this one. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you require finance or you're considering financing the vehicle, give us a try. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.